we do all kinds of knuckleheaded things. We done skydiving. You know, who knows what we'll do next?
That's right.
You never know.
That's right. Stay tuned. Right?
Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it.
All right, here we go, buddy.
That's right. I'm Skinny Kenny.
I'm Musclehead Ken, and we're the Clark Brothers. Welcome to Brothers Bistro.
We are
here for your health. We're gonna do some chicken Parmesan meatball-y things tonight.
Chicken Parmesan meatballs. That's right. That's with a little salad on the side because we need a little. Make sure we get our greens in. So when we come back here in a second, we're gonna show you the ingredients. But before we do that, you go over to YouTube.
Doesn't cost you anything.
No. Hit the post notifications.
It doesn't cost them anything.
And hopefully you can get my brother to shut up. Give us a big thumbs up.
Because we're here for your help, and we want to help you out, and you can follow along.
Well, what do you think, buddy?
Well, it doesn't look too bad. I mean, there's a few little things over there, but it doesn't look all in all. I think we're just going to throw it in the thing and mix it all up.
It's kind of like that, yeah.
Okay, walk us through what we got.
So we got the ground chicken. Could be ground turkey, but in this case it's ground chicken. Got some Italian seasoning. We have garlic salt, onion salt, pepper, Parmesan, a couple of things of mozzarella split up because we're going to put some of the mozzarella in the meatballs. And then we've got a little bit of a tomato sauce we're going to do.
The recipe called for tomatoes.
Canned tomatoes.
Canned tomatoes that you would put in the blender. But in order to make it simple for us, because we're simple guys, we chose the Rouse. It doesn't have a lot of extra ingredients. It's just already blended up. We don't have to mess up our kitchen and our utensils. Makes it super simple. And we're going to add, because it doesn't have a lot of a green, we're going to add a salad. Again, you can get these bagged salads there. Just be mindful that the dressing is where the calories are for the most part, not in the salad itself.
All this stuff's going to go in here. We're going to mix it in with the meat.
Okay.
And blend it in.
Can I help you out?
3 tablespoons
of the
tomato
huh?
sauce. Yeah.
1.
A 2.
A 2. This is like the lollipop liquor.
Right.
Oh,
man. They don't call him Messy Kev for nothing.
That's right.
Okay, and this is where the gloves really come in handy. You know, I was a little not sure about the gloves when we first got them, but now we've done a few recipes, and if you ever have to do anything with your hands like this, man, this is a lot easier. And it reduces the mess. You know, you just take the gloves off when it's done. So when you get a minute, bro, if you could just spread all those spices over here so I can mix them in.
Let's do it. That's the onion. That's the pepper. That's the Italian. This is the mozzarella and the Parmesan. Okay?
So what we're doing is we're just combining it so that it's mixed in nice and thorough. And then once we get it done, we're going to scoop these out and we're going to put them in our dish. But we're probably going to need another dish because we're making kind of almost a double recipe because we got more people here that are going to eat. But the recipe calls for 3 servings. So you want to be careful to make the meatballs in
thirds.
Increments of 3.
Right.
Here we are finishing up the balls. I got my last ball coming off. How many balls did we make, buddy? Did we make?
Oh, I'm sure you counted even.
3?
Yeah, sure. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We got it.
Nice.
Look at that. And then these are going to go, so you can see he's using a spoon. He just got a little bit in, formed a little bit of a light ball with the stuff. And remember, we got a little bit of tomato sauce, a little bit of mozzarella for the later. But this is just going to go in the oven, 350 for how long?
20 minutes. 20
minutes.
25 minutes.
I'll open up the oven, buddy. Or you want to open up the oven?
No, you go ahead and open up the oven because my hands are filthy.
All right, so let's open up the oven.
I'm going to get these gloves off. Look how easy it is to clean up when you got gloves.
It's going into the oven. There's 1, and there's 2. 20 minutes later, Bob's your uncle.
Wait!
Here they go. Look, looks good, buddy.
Wow, that does look good.
What are you gonna do? What do I do?
We gotta put some marinara sauce on it first, and I'll follow you with the cheese. You go that way, move that way a little bit. Okay.
That gives it a little color too.
Okay, now we're gonna put all this back in the oven, but if the oven is on broil, so all we're really doing is melting the cheese and browning the cheese. We're gonna need one right here.
How's that?
Okay, that looks pretty good.
Okay, so here you go.
No, it's still okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Going in. Get it in there, buddy. 1, a 2. Okay.
So it's just gonna go in there for a few minutes while it browns up, it melts the cheese, and then the cheese starts to brown up. We'll be back to do a little taste test before you know it.
Look at it, here he goes. He's dishing it out. We get 4 each. 1, 2, 3. You want a little greenage in the middle there?
That looks pretty good, right?
Yeah, I got a little salad in there. Look at that.
I'm gonna try the meatball first because it's kind of the main event.
I'm cleansing my palate.
You are with a little salad. Mmm. Oh yeah. Yeah, that tastes yummy.
All right.
That roused tomato
So try
sauce,
it.
pretty
It was
good.
pretty simple. It took us maybe 30 minutes. Oh. Yeah, pretty good.
I agree. Again, you got to go over to YouTube, turn on the post notifications, hit the subscribe,
Give us a big thumbs up. And here, healthy mind and body,
That's right.
28-day challenge. We're here for you.
That's right.
So this is one way to make a healthy meal quick and easy.
For sure. What he said.
Clark Brothers Bistro, here for your health.